The best state to manufacture a clothing brand in the United States depends on factors like cost, skilled labor availability, proximity to suppliers, and logistics. Here are some of the top states based on these criteria. 1. California, Los Angeles. It is the largest apparel manufacturing hub in the U.S. It offers access to skilled labor, proximity to top fashion designers and influencers, and a well-established supply chain. However, the downside is its high labor costs, strict regulations, and expensive real estate, making it less attractive for budget-conscious manufacturers. 2. New York. It has a strong presence in the fashion industry, providing access to high-end designers and brands, along with excellent networking opportunities. However, operating in New York comes with high costs, expensive labor, and limited large-scale manufacturing facilities, making it more suitable for luxury or boutique brands. 3. North Carolina. It is a great choice for affordable clothing production. It has a strong textile industry and easy access to material suppliers. While it provides cost-effective solutions, it lacks exposure to major fashion hubs, which may be a downside for brands looking for high visibility. 4. Texas. It stands out for its lower operational costs, access to skilled labor, and excellent logistics for nationwide distribution. However, it has fewer high-end fashion industry connections compared to California or New York, which may be a disadvantage for brands targeting the luxury market. 5. Georgia, Atlanta. It offers affordable manufacturing costs, access to logistics hubs, and a growing fashion scene. While it is developing as a key player in apparel manufacturing, it still lacks the reputation of states like California and New York. 6. South Carolina. It has a strong textile manufacturing base, lower labor costs, and a business-friendly environment. However, similar to North Carolina, it has limited exposure to major fashion markets, which may not be ideal for brands seeking high-profile recognition. When it comes to choosing the best state for your clothing brand, it all depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're in the luxury or high-fashion market, California, Los Angeles, or New York are your best bets. These states offer unparalleled access to top designers, fashion influencers, and high-end networking opportunities, making them ideal for brands that thrive on exclusivity and prestige. For those looking for affordable yet quality production, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia provide excellent options. These states boast strong textile industries, lower labor costs, and easy access to material suppliers, making them perfect for brands that want to balance cost and quality without compromising on efficiency. If cost-effective, scalable production is your main goal, Texas is the place to be. With lower operational costs, a skilled workforce, and excellent logistics for nationwide distribution, Texas provides an ideal environment for brands looking to scale without breaking the bank. No matter what your business model is, choosing the right state can make all the difference in the success of your clothing brand. If you learned from this video and would like to see more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.